Hey everybody, welcome back to Plan All the Things. Jody here. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner for November 9th through the 15th, and I'm going to be using stickers from the ColorStory 4 sticker book. So I really thought this washi tape would match well. It's not focusing very well, but it's kind of a periwinkle with rose gold accent. And I'm going to go ahead and start by laying this down over the stripes or the lines on the Happy Planner page. I think this really accented well with the theme that I chose to go with out of the sticker book. As I've said before, sometimes using stickers out of the color stories really helps save time, but still gives you a pretty coordinated and, makes it look like you took a long time planning, doing your creative layout, but actually it's quite a time saver. So here, instead of adding my usual big box sticker, I'm kind of just adding a smaller decorative sticker, and it just says right now it just says like noted. I might add something to that in a minute. Here I'm adding a transparent quote sticker. I like the shape, and I like kind of the ombre effect. It says, "May every sunrise hold more promise, and may every sunset hold more peace." And then over here I'm putting another quote sticker in the lower left where I normally like to put one. This book really had some great quote stickers. Now, because I didn't like how small that little noted wording was, I went ahead and covered it with a coordinating sticker that said "I love weekends." Over here on the left, I'm adding my kind of notes section, weekly. It's where I put kind of my overall goals for the week. They're on the left side. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some decorative full box stickers. That one on the left says, "Enjoy the process." Now I'm putting down one that says "One day at a time." And then this one is just kind of graphical that I'm sure I'll layer another sticker on top of. Here's another one, kind of a coordinated floral. "Actually, you can." And then "Love what you do." When I'm doing these layouts, I really try to balance colors. And so that's kind of my process. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some checklists, bulleted checklists. One for Tuesday, one for Thursday. For Wednesday, I'm just going to use this box to write in some tasks. And another thing I really loved in this sticker book were these kind of transparent accents. These are kind of just like decorative hash marks. So I layered down one of those and then put "Make Today an Adventure" on top of that. And then put this pink one up in the corner where I'll layer some probably other kind of task boxes on top of it. Just thought they were really nice little touches. I wish Happy Planner would supply more of those in their kits. And then over the notes, adding a sticker that says "Living the Dream." Most days that's how I feel. Now I'm just adding some decorative elements, some headers, kind of filling in some gaps. You guys know I love stickers. Not afraid to use a sticker. Never met a sticker I didn't like. Well, that's not true. There are some stickers I don't like. But in general, I like all stickers. I always have. And when I was a little girl, I had my own sticker book, and we used to trade stickers, me and my friends. Remember Scratch and Sniffs? Remember the fuzzy stickers? Love the fuzzy teddy bears. Adding a noted section for Sunday. That's where I'll put my weekend chores. And again, another one over here on Monday. That's where I'll put my to-dos for Monday. Still need something for Friday, so I think I'm just going to make my own. Have some little mini boxes here. They're not quite quarter boxes. What are they? Maybe eighth boxes? So I'm just putting down 3 for my 3 Friday tasks. Adding a horizontal quote sticker up here. "Do more of what makes you happy." I love that phrase. I have that quote in different areas in my house. And yeah, I think that's a pretty full layout. I think it's going to look good after the pen. Let me know what you think of ColorStory sticker books. Do you use them and enjoy them? That is going to be all for this video. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to be notified of more content I post. And until the next video, guys, happy planning. Bye.